Were you not quite ready for educating your child at home? Thrust into this a bit too quickly? Feeling overwhelmed? Not to worry, we've got you covered. Hello, I'm Samantha from Learning Success, and welcome to Educating at Home, an initiative by Learning Success to help you become the expert educator for your child. It may not feel like it, but research shows that parents can truly be the best educators. We'll be creating new videos every day to make sure that you have the knowledge you need to rock this. Make sure to watch them all, and your child is sure to get the best education possible. Today's video is from Ian Coburn. Ian, father of 3 children, creates e-learning and training courses. He used his skills to create a far more robust, interactive, and engaging children's book than seen in print. Let's see what Ian has to say about educating at home.
If you're a parent, guardian, custodian, in any way responsible for children, they're probably home with you right now, and you're looking for things to do. Find activities that can be reused and offer a lot of different interactive features, such as Superflaws. Superflaws is far more engaging and educational than your typical book. For example, children who can't read yet can select to have the book read itself to them.
Lines of parked cars filled the streets of downtown Chicago.
There are optional quizzes following each chapter, which can actually be emailed to you.
What does Chester catch, keeping it from crashing into the pavement on his way to work? Drag and drop.
There are a number of activity worksheets attached that you can print for kids to use,
such as word finds and mazes of different levels. Here you can see our 5-year-old Tyler was able to do this level 1 word find no problem. Same with the maze level 1. But then he got to level 2 word find and he struggled, and that's what we want. You don't want him to work and improve his skills. So, these are just some of the activities that you can find on the site. So I call this event the Stacking Cone Relay. And you can start with a stacking cone in one room. And this is Carter. Carter, you want to say hi?
Hi.
This is my 3-year-old, by the way. And if you don't have a cone, you can use cups, like I've put here. Anything that you have that can stack. And then you want to have your track laid out. And your track is just running into other rooms. And then in the other room, you choose this room, and you have other cones set up. So you can see here I have like 4 set up in different places in the room. And I like about this event, you don't have to clean, as you can tell. So we start in here, and Carter is going to show us how to do this. He runs in the other room. He grabs a cone, and then he runs. What do you do with it? Show us what to do. Then he runs back in this room. And where do you put it? Where do you put it? He stacks it, and then he goes back, and he does this until he gets all 4 cones. And I call this the equalizer because if you're like me, you have kids that are not the same ages, so it's not a fair competition. Throw something at your kids, have something. In this case, I have like balloons. And they have to dodge the balloon as they run in the room. Dodge the balloon. Oh, look out. Don't get hit by the balloon, Carter. If they get hit by a balloon, it's a 10-second add-on to their time. I can hit my 5-year-old once or twice during the relay and miss the 3-year-old and provide an equal, fair time. And whoever has the best time wins.
Thank you, Ian. That at-home Olympics looks really fun. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to share it on social media. Use the hashtag EAH for educating at home. And remember, you've got this. The fact that you are here watching this video means you're an amazing parent. And that's a wonderful thing to be.